we should point out that Blankman-Fried in the bankruptcy is the stock of Skybridge, is the stock of IEX, the exchange that Brad Katsuyama has. Remember, Brad was featured as a protagonist in Flash Boys. Getting that stock out of there is going to be incredibly difficult, but that's where I hear the legal issues are coming. So I guess again, this is a ongoing story. Connect the dots. I think it follows kind of. I'm trying to be charitable because no one's been charged criminally yet, but it looks like a Madoff situation. Taken from Peter to pay Paul, using it to prop up your own native currency, FTT, which was imploding, particularly after the Binance CEO began to sell it when they saw all the interconnections.